Hi guys, and today we'll talking about stock market and what is stock market. What is the stock market? The stock market broadly refers to a number of exchanges and other venues in which shares of publicly held companies are bought and sold. Such financial activities are conducted through institutionalized formal exchanges and via over-the-counter marketplace that operate under the definite set of regulations. While both the terms stock market and stock exchange are often used interchangeably, the latter terms is really a subset of a former trades in the stock market, buy or sell shares on one or more of the stock exchanges that are part of an overall stock market. The leading US stock exchanges include the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. These leading national exchanges, along with several other operations in the country, from the stock market of the United States. Understanding the stock market. The stock market allows buyers and sellers of securities to meet, interact, and transact in person or electronically. The markets allow for price discovery and shares of corporations and serve as a barometer for the overall economy. Since the number of stock market participants is huge, buyers and sellers are assured of a fair price and high degree of liquidity as various markets. Participants compete with one another for the best price. A stock market is regulated and controlled environment in the United States. The main regulators include the Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders are regulated by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Since the stock market brings together hundreds of thousands of participants who wish to buy and sell shares. It ensures fair pricing practices and transparency in transactions. While airliner stock markets issued and dealt in paper-based physical share certificates. The modern day computerized stock market operate electronically. How the stock market works? In the nutshell, stock markets provide a secure and regulated environment where market participants can transact in shares and other eligible financial instruments with confidence, with zero to low operational risk, operating under the defined rules as started by the regulator. The stock markets act as primary markets and secondary markets. As a primary markets, the stock market allows companies to issue and sell their shares to the public for the first time. The process of an initial public offering. This activity helps companies raise necessary capital from investors. This essentially means that a company divides itself into a number of shares and sells some of those shares to the public at the price. to the facilitate this process, as a company needs to marketplace where these shares can be sold. This marketplace is provided by the stock market. Everything goes according to plan. The company will successfully sell its 5 million shares at the price of $10 per share and collect $50 million. Investors will then own company shares in the expectation that their value will rise or that they will receive dividend payments or both. The stock exchange acts as a capital rising process and receives a fee for its service from the company and its financial partners. Special considerations. The stock exchange shoulders the responsibility of ensuring price transparency, liquidity, price discovery, and fair dealings in such trading activities. As almost all major stocks markets across the globe now operate electronically, the exchange maintains trading system that efficiently manage, buy and sell orders from various market participants. They perform the price matching function to facilitate trade executions. That's a price that is fair to both buyers and sellers. Listed company may also offer new additional shares over offering as a late stage, such as zero rights issues or follow or offering. They may even buy back or delist their shares. The stock exchange facilitates these transactions. The stock exchange often created and maintains various market level and sector specific indicators like the S&P, Standard and Poor's 500 index and the Nasdaq 100 index, which provide the measure to track the movement of the overall market. Other methods include the stochastic oscillator and the stochastic momentum index. The stock exchanges also maintain official websites that host company news and financial reporting. A stock exchange also supports various other corporate level transaction related activities. For instance, profitable companies may reward investors by paying dividends that come from the company earning. The exchange maintains that information and may support its processing to a central extent.